Namaskar. I am Dr. Amit D. Goswami. I am a senior consultant in laparoscopic and bariatric surgery in Columbia, Palam, Bihar. Today I am here to speak few points regarding a very common ailment, stones in gallbladder stone. We invariably find such kind of patients coming to our OPD or clinic. Now, if you ask me why stone forms in gallbladder, I would like to say that there are no pinpoint single cause, but there are certain diseases or certain conditions in our body that make our bile more thickened. So, in persons with such conditions, stone is more prevalent. A patient comes to us with pain abdomen, dyspepsia. Dyspepsia का मतलब है कोई खाना खा के भारीपन लगना, या nausea, vomiting. Then we suspect that the patient can have gallbladder stones. So, how can you diagnose the suspects? It is one of the most commonly available radiological modality, ultrasound. Ultrasound abdomen is sufficient in diagnosing such patients. Now, before going to treatment per se, I would like to make you understand what is the role of gallbladder. मैं बिल्कुल ही बेसिक लैंग्वेज से, कॉमन लैंग्वेज से बोलने का कोशिश करूँगा. उससे क्या एडवांटेज होगा? अब बहुत लोगों को वी इन्वेरिएबली फाइंड दैट इन मेनी पेशेंट्स देयर आर मेनी मिसकॉन्सेप्ट्स और मिथ रिगार्डिंग दी गॉलब्लैडर स्टोन्स. सो मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि उसको मैं नलीफाई करूँ. First of all, we need to understand where gallbladder lies. Gallbladder lies at the undersurface of the liver. So, what's its role? It's the storehouse of bile. Bile मतलब जो हिंदी में पित्त बोलते हैं. So, but bile is formed by the liver. So, bile is formed in the liver. It comes to the gallbladder by two ducts. And gallbladder preserves that bile. When the food comes from stomach to intestine, brain signals gallbladder to release the bile. So, gallbladder goes into rhythmic contractions and bile flows down the intestine and it helps in partially digesting the food. This is the common physiology, right? So, ये आप लोग को बिल्कुल ही क्लियर कट समझना पड़ेगा कि stone can form only in diseased gallbladder. So, when the gallbladder of any person is fully functioning, stone cannot form. Basically, the internal wall of the gallbladder is like a balloon that kind similar like the gubara we use during the holies. So, when the inner wall of the gallbladder is not working properly, cholesterol crystals deposits in gallbladder bile and ultimately it gets converted to stone. So, now what is the treatment? As I said few minutes back, when you know that gallbladder is diseased, so gold standard treatment is removal of the gallbladder, simple. But the good point is that nowadays gallbladder is being removed by laparoscopic surgery. During laparoscopic surgery, we make very tiny holes, 4 tiny holes through which the gallbladder is removed. Now, what is the advantage of laparoscopic surgery? As you can easily assume that the cuts are very small, very tiny, so pain is much less than in comparison to open surgery. Pain is less, cosmetically it is more acceptable, hence people restart the normal life more in earlier fashion. Now, there are many myths. लोग आके ओपीडी में हम लोग को बोलते हैं कि गॉलब्लैडर के बाद डाइजेशन खराब हो जाते हैं, कुछ खा नहीं पाएंगे, नॉर्मल खाना खा नहीं पाएंगे, बॉयल खाना पड़ेगा. ऑल आर रॉन्ग कॉन्सेप्ट. दीज आर ऑल मिथ. देखिए, I give a common analogy to the patients. Gallbladder is like an ATM machine. Suppose आपके घर के पास कोई ICICI बैंक ने एक ATM machine डाला है. When you need money, you will definitely go to the ATM machine because it is easy. You swipe your card, you take the money, you come out. There is no need of filling up the form and stand in a queue. So, it is quite easy, right? But if the bank thinks that the ATM is not being used by the people, they can take it away. Then also you will get money, but you need to go to the bank. Likewise, when gallbladder is there, gallbladder releases bile in rhythmic contraction as we have discussed. But in absence of gallbladder also, the bile will be there because we have not done to divert or decrease the bile formations. So, bile will automatically come down to intestine and it will help in digestion, right. So, but the only single basic advice is you need to go slow on your diet. At least for 2 days, we generally advise soft diet, or for for next 7 to 10 days, we ask the patient to take small frequent meals so that बहुत देर तक पेट खाली भी ना रहे और heavy feeding भी ना हो. So, after laparoscopic surgery, as we have discussed, people are free to resume normal life as soon as possible. See, there are always two perspectives. One is surgical perspective, one is patient's perspective. From surgical perspective, patient can resume everything as we have been discussing, but everything will be decided by the patient. If patient is comfortable, he or she can do whatever he likes, or if they feel that थोड़ा सा pain है, रुकना चाहते हैं, तो they can wait and take their decisions. So, in case of suggestive symptoms, you should immediately consult your physician so that the early diagnosis can be made and proper treatment can be started. Right now, the next question is most important. Previously, there was a concept that अगर pain नहीं हो रहे हैं तो surgery नहीं करवाना है. And what really the size of the stone matters? No, the size of the stone doesn't matter. Plus pain ho na ho, ultimately as we have discussed, the standard treatment is removal of the gallbladder because there are certain complications that are quite avoidable, like gallbladder cancers. In northern belt, starting from Kashmir to northern belt to even northeastern states, gallbladder cancer is more prevalent, and the most common cause of gallbladder cancer is gallbladder stones. Obviously, in patients of more than 50 to 60 years of patients. And in second group, when there is multiple stones, small stones or part of stone can dislodge and it can block the pipe of the gallbladder that clinically we call common bile duct, or even it can damage the pancreas. So, and cause acute pancreatitis. So, for pancreatitis after alcohol, gallbladder stone is the most common cause. So, when you think that you have suggestive symptoms, don't wait till the complications to appear and make it a habit to visit physician at an early date. Thank you.